Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to our channel. Come join me for our first part of our 10-part HIIT for strength and weight loss. What you can expect is a leg strength day with high intense interval training to get that heart rate up and especially aim for that weight loss. And if you can't join me right now, make sure you save this video for your watch later list and come join me at another time. All right, you guys ready? So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing 2 groups of 3 exercises apiece, about 1 minute each exercise, and we're gonna run through it twice. So let's get going. So our first exercise in this group is squats. So what I want you to do is I want you to keep your feet kind of shoulder width apart. If you have any issues with your knees, take a wider step, point out those toes. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our arms here and we're gonna squat. Nice and easy, keeping that core tight and deep breaths. And we're gonna do this for a minute, so hang on. We're gonna get that heart rate up, make sure we're doing the high interval training and squat. Yep, breathe. When you come up, and feel that burn in your glutes. Make sure we're squeezing our glutes at the top. All right, almost there, guys. Almost there. Hang in there with me. We got about 15 more seconds. Yep, keep breathing, keeping that core tight as we're going down. All right, and we're gonna head into our lunge. So what I want you to do is we're gonna take a step back, almost let our knee touch the ground, but not all the way, and come up and take a step with the opposite leg. And we're gonna do this for a minute. So we just keep switching back and forth, taking a deep breath while we go down, exhaling when we come up. Hang in there. Keeping that core tight and switching. Getting that heart rate up, guys. Come on, keep going. I know it might feel, you never know how long a minute is until you know you gotta do it. So keep hanging in there. 10 more seconds. And rest. Okay, so our next exercise is a single Romanian deadlift. So single leg. Watch your balance. If you feel like the balance is too much, we can keep one leg supported on the ground, but the goal is to come down and back up. Come down and back up for 30 seconds, and then another 30 seconds, we're gonna switch. So like I said, if the balance is too much, keep that back foot planted and just come down. Keep this leg bent and just come down and up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my leg in the air, and if you need to switch at any point, feel free. All right, you ready? And go. Keeping that core tight as we go so our spine stays neutral, and down. Inhale, exhale, keeping that core tight. Good job, guys, you got this. We only got a few more seconds left on this leg. And switch. And now one side might be a little more off, and that's okay. Why we're doing this is we're really working on our balance on both sides. And remember, if at any point this becomes too challenging, plant that back foot and come down. And keep going, guys. Like I said, inhale, exhale. Few more seconds. All right, good job, guys. So now we're gonna head into our next set. But don't forget those 3 exercises we just did, because we're gonna come back to it in the next round. So our first exercise is a glute bridge. So what I want you to focus on is we're gonna keep our legs pretty much shoulder width, so just where they fall. And I want you to drive through your heels and lift your body up. And come down, keeping that core tight, your pelvis tucked in and up. All right, we're gonna do this for a minute. You ready? Go. Exhaling on the way down, inhaling on the way up. Squeezing that glutes as we get to the top. Don't let it go. Always keeping a nice, tight core and squeeze glutes all the way through. Keep going, guys. I hope we're feeling the burn. We still got a little more to go, but I know you guys can do this. And up, almost there, almost there. All right, and relax. Now, the next exercise we're gonna do is clam. So I'm gonna have you lay on your side, and what I want is I want you to bring your knee up. But notice that my feet are staying together, so your feet should never go apart. We're just keeping it nice and controlled, bringing our knee up. I'm gonna do the other side, but we're gonna do 30 seconds on this side, and then 30 seconds on the other. And let's go. Exhaling as our knee returns back to the other knee, feeling that glute squeeze, squeezing the glutes through this whole motion. Keeping that core tight as we lay. And we're almost there to the 30 seconds. And switch. So I'm gonna have you come and we're gonna lay on our other side, just like we did before, keeping that knee, keeping your feet together and just raising your knee. Remember, just squeeze your glutes all the way through this motion. Inhaling, exhaling. Breathing's very important. I don't want anyone passing out on me. Just keeping that core tight and focusing on this glute squeeze and the breathing. And we're almost there. And rest. All right, and our last exercise in this set is our glute kickbacks. So what I want you to focus on is I don't want you to have an arc in your back like this. I really want you to like round your back so your core is nice and tight while we do this. 30 seconds on each leg and go. Make sure we're keeping that core tight and we're squeezing our glutes as we get to the top. So that's the most important part, that little glute squeeze. Breathing, keeping that core tight. Our arms should be pretty much right under our shoulders, right near there. If it's a little uncomfortable, you can kind of move your arms a little out. All right, and we're switching legs, so we're not really changing positions, we're just bringing the other leg up, keeping that core tight, trying to eliminate all arches in your spine. Hang in there, guys, we're almost done. Whew. All right, make sure we're breathing, keeping that core tight, and rest. All right, so that's our 2 sets. So I hope you guys remembered the first 3 exercises because we're just gonna go straight into it. And squat. Shoulder width apart, arms up, and go. We're just going for a minute, guys. Keeping that core tight. Feel that heart rate. Get your heart rate up. Start feeling the burn. All right, remember, we're doing this for a minute, so pace yourself, but go as fast as you can. Whew. Yeah, keep going, guys. Push through it. Whew. Yeah, keeping that core tight. Squeeze those glutes on the way up. Inhale, exhale. All right, and we're going straight into our lunge. Remember, one foot back and then the other. We're not touching the ground with our knee, just hanging right above it. Getting your arms in motion helps with raising your heart rate, burning more calories. Yeah, hang in there for a minute. We got this, guys. Breathing, core tight, feeling that burn in your glutes. We are almost there. And rest. All right, straight into your single leg deadlift. Remember, you can plant a foot or we can bring it up. 30 seconds on each leg. Yep, keep going, guys. Keep that core tight. You should be feeling it right in the back of your leg. This is a glute hamstring, so if you feel in your hamstrings, that's definitely okay. That's where we want it. And switch. Whew. Make sure we're breathing. I hope we're all feeling the burn. Whew. Focus on your balance. And at any point, you can drop this back foot down, and we can do single leg deadlifts just like this. All right, and rest. And remember the last 3 exercises, and then we're done. You're almost there, guys. Hang in there. So we're going straight into our glute bridge. Remember, driving through your heels. Yep, keeping that core tight as we go down. Squeezing the glutes all the way through. Driving through with your heels. Almost there, guys. Hang in there. Whew. Make sure we're breathing. And almost there. Hang in there. Should be feeling the burn already. All right. And we are resting. Going straight into our clams. Keeping our feet together. And driving that knee up. Keeping that glute tight all the way through. Squeezing, squeezing. Inhale, exhale. 30 seconds on this leg. You got this, guys. Yep, core tight, deep breaths, almost there. And we are switching. I don't know about you, but my glutes are pretty tired already, so hang in there. Keeping those feet together, and the only thing that is going up is your knee, but I am squeezing all the way through. Core tight. Keep pushing. We're almost there. We got one more exercise, and then you have completed this leg strength day, and I'm so proud of you guys. All right. Back to our glute kickbacks. Remember, keeping that core tight, trying to eliminate the arc in your spine, and going up. And breathing. Yep, keeping the core tight. 30 seconds on this leg. Hang in there. Keeping that core tight. Most important thing is keeping that spine straight so we can really get that squeeze in the glutes. All right, and switch. Almost there. 30 seconds left. Yep, hang in there. Keep going, push. Almost there. Whew. Breathe. Core tight. And we have made it. So what I want you guys to do is just sit, deep breaths, and relax. If you want to stretch a little, just put your feet together, kind of in the butterfly position, and just stretch your hip flexors. Just focus on that breathing. Taking a minute just to get our heart rate down. Good job today, guys. And then I want you to come and I want you to take your arm and just let it hang. You should feel a stretch right in your glutes. And just hang there for a little. Really focusing on your breath, calming down your heart rate. And lastly, switch your legs one last time. Really put some pressure on your knee from your elbow to get that stretch in the glutes. Deep breaths while we do this. All right, and rest. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this workout, make sure you download our Yoga Plus app. It's in the description because you don't want to miss out on future workouts.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.